Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and welcome to our scavenger hunt. It is not a scavenger hunt for today. It is a scavenger hunt for May the 4th. It is a Star Wars scavenger hunt. And I've been sewing for my dolls. I've been sewing for my dolls to give out ideas to my subscribers, anybody on YouTube at all, to make a Star Wars video uploaded on May the 4th. And then if you are one of my subscribers, come back, leave a link in our comments below so that other subscribers can see your link and go watch your video. But everyone should add the hashtag to their video, their Star Wars May the 4th video, Dolls Rescued Star Wars Challenge. Now, I've done something else to make it a little fun. On May the 4th, before May the 4th, I have sent out some Happy Mail. And you may or may not be a recipient of that Happy Mail. Watch your mailboxes. It's going out to subscribers of mine that I know leave a like, and often, or some of them, leave a comment every video. And it's a kind comment. And I am sending these Happy Mails. I'm hoping to send some decoys too, but I'm sending these Happy Mails, and if you will go find them, and I'm not going to tell you who I sent it to, if you will go find their videos unwrapping the Star Wars scavenger hunt package, leave a note in their comments, found it, come back to our channel after you find their, found the Happy Meal in the scavenger hunt, come back to our comments and leave the note, found it, and we will be checking to see if you really did find it. You are going to receive, or one of the people that participate and get it right, 2 doll stands that Darren 3D prints on his 3D printer. I love these stands, and you can tell us the size doll you would like to have that for anything from 18-inch doll to Barbie to the smaller dolls. Here's what you're looking for in those videos. Do you see these 2 outfits? These are actual outfits that are going out in the Happy Mail. Do you see the bow ties on the stormtroopers? These are the 2 dresses or the 2 Happy Mails that you are going to be looking for. Now, the people receiving the Happy Mail will also get other items, which will be held a secret to watch them unwrap, some other items. But I'll tell you one thing, they're getting at least one of these adorable little headbands that Darren worked up the model pattern for on his 3D printer. A lot of my Blythe dolls are wearing these now, and you can actually glue things on here. Like I have a lot of them now with artificial flowers. Oh, it's so cute. So that's what we have in mind for you. A lot of fun on May the 4th. First of all, put your video up. Second of all, add the hashtag Dolls Rescued Star Wars Challenge to your video. Then come to our channel and add that in our comments. Add a link, and then go on the scavenger hunt so that you could possibly be the person to win the 2 doll stands that Darren will print for you. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.